CGTL stock analysis and CGTL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially now with creative global technology holdings stock, it's 100% up, very decent. So bro, I like it a lot. When I'm looking at this, I want to scratch the itch to just get involved, but look at the post-market section. Holy crap. The only way that I can scratch the itch is if I see the price correcting sort of down a bit. So definitely could happen yesterday. I mean, I'm not saying it could not, but if there's no rules happening, then I guess I'm not going to be buying randomly. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.